We'll guide you through how to create ClickUp dashboards to optimize your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your ClickUp workspace on your desktop and ensure you're logged in. Look to the left sidebar and click on the Dashboards option. You'll then see a button labeled New Dashboard on the top right corner, so go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear where you can name your dashboard and select the workspace it belongs to. Once you've entered these details, click Create Dashboard. Now, you're in the dashboard editor. You'll notice options to add widgets. Widgets are powerful tools that allow you to view tasks, goals, time tracking, and more in one place. To add a widget, click on the Add Widget button. You'll see a list of available widgets like Task List, Time Tracking, or Goals. Choose the ones that align with your needs. For instance, if you want to track your tasks, select the Task List widget. Once selected, you can customize the widget by setting filters or sorting preferences to display exactly what you need. If you're managing a team, consider adding the Goals widget to track progress. You can resize and move widgets around for a personalized view. Make sure to save your dashboard layout by clicking the Save icon at the top. Remember, you can always edit, rename, or delete the dashboard by clicking the three-dot menu next to your dashboard's name. This flexibility allows you to adjust your dashboard as your projects evolve. With your dashboard set up, you now have a centralized place to monitor progress and manage tasks efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.